what's one so basically for today's video, I'm gonna be like checking out this one little park that's like closer to home. There's like a few different hiking trails, like I think free hiking trails that you can do there around like a mile each. So that's kind of the plan for this video. So I don't know if I'm gonna be doing anything else like after the free hikes I do at this park. It kind of depends on how long this ends up being, but that's kind of the plan for this video. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Made to like the turning point here. Made to the cave area. So hoping you'll be going down there to see that, so making my way back up. And I'll see you guys for the next trail I do here. Okay, so it made to like a waterfall spur here. There's not really any waterfall flow here right now, but pretty nice little bluff area though. pretty nice little lake area here. Kind of reminds me of the lake that I saw like whenever I went to that one park last month. It was that one little park that I went to whenever I kind of went to some other parks kind of around home and all that. So except I think those places were even closer to home than this place is. So kind of reminds me a little bit of that lake. So I'm finishing up the last trail I'm going to be doing here. So I would say out of the 3 trails I ended up doing today, my favorite one was probably that blue trail that I did and seeing that one little cave area. And then probably my least favorite trail that I did here was probably this one, although this one still was pretty nice though, and got to see a nice little lake here still. This is a really beautiful lake, so. And this is a pretty nice little section here, so. The first part of this trail was out in the open and kind of boring, but once you got to the lake, it ended up getting a lot nicer, and this is a really nice section here, so. That's basically how I felt about each of the trails I did here today. All the trails had something nice about it and some little highlight to it, so make my way back now. Okay, so this is about all I'm gonna be doing for this video, so hope you enjoy me checking out this one little park and me getting to do the free hiking trails at the place. Hope you enjoy the little cave that I checked out on one of the hiking trails and all that. Subscribe to my post notifications on to see what I do next. Stay tuned for the next video or possibly 2 videos the other parks I end up visiting the same day, so stay tuned for some more of that, and without further ado, I'll see you guys next time.